Okay, in this video, we will be subtracting decimals, and these are the four problems that we will solve together. But if you want to pause the video here and attempt them, feel free. Okay, so this is the first one, 2.14 minus 1.27. And the very first step for all of these problems is to rewrite it where it's like vertical. So we would have 2.14 minus 1.27. 1.27. So everything is aligned up. So this is the ones place, the tenths place, the hundreds place. So everything is lined up. So 4 minus 7 is a negative number. We can't do that. So we're going to take this 1 away, make it 0, and give him 10. So he becomes 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. Now 0 minus 2, same situation. It's negative. So we need to take away this piece. Instead of a 2, we make it a 1. And we got to give him a 10. So 10 minus 2 is 8. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So we get 0.087. And this is the first answer to our first problem. We can box it in. Okay, this is our second problem. Same procedure. We rewrite it as 3.123 minus 2.45. So you see everything is lined up. The ones, the tenths place, the hundreds place. There's no thousands place for this piece, but this one does. So just put a 0. And now we will subtract. So 3 minus 0 is still 3. 2 minus 5, we get a negative number. So we take away this 1, make it a 0. Give him a 10. So 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. Now we take this 3 away, make him into a 2. Give him a 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. And 2 minus 2 is 0. So we get 0.673 as our final answer. Now this is our third problem, same procedure, 2.5 minus 1.135. So this piece doesn't have a hundreds or a thousands, so just add a 0, and do the exact same thing. So 0 minus 5, you get a negative number, you can't have that. So we'll make this 5 into a 4, give him a 10. Now we got to give him something, so make him into a 9 and turn him into a 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. 4 minus 1 is 3. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1.365 is our final answer. Now we'll have one last problem. It's a little bit harder, but same procedure. So we rewrite it as 5.279 minus 1.28 minus 1.4. So we gotta kind of line up everything. So this piece only has the tenths, no hundreds or thousands, so add a 0, add a 0. This piece has tenths, hundreds, no thousands, so add a 0. So everything is lined up. So 9 minus 0 is still 9. 7 minus 8 is a negative number, so you got to change this into a 1. Give him a 10, so he becomes 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 minus 8 is going to be 9. Now he's 1. 1 minus 2 is a negative, so you got to give him some numbers. So change this 5 into a 4. Give him a 10. So 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. Put our decimal. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2.599 is our final answer. And that's all we need to do to subtract decimals.